How to create a Chime online banking account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Korea Login Delete. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in www.chime.com. Once done, you will land onto its official website. Now to create an account, go ahead and click on sign up on your top right. After solving a CAPTCHA, you will land onto this page. Now enter your first name, your last name, and your email address. Once done, click on to next. You must be 18 years old or older to join Chime. Enter your date of birth at this box, and then click on next. Now enter your phone number to protect your account and keep in touch by text message. If you would like to receive announcement, check this box and click on next. Enter your home address and this is where they will send you a new card. And likewise on the next page, create yourself a password and this is how you will be able to create yourself a Chime account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and if you found this video helpful then do give it a thumbs up and we will see you in our next upload.